Hi, in this video, we will be talking about 3 foods that you should avoid if you want to have a clear and acne-free skin. So, let's dive in and find out which foods you should avoid. Firstly, dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt contain hormones that can stimulate oil production and increase inflammation in the body. This can lead to acne breakouts. So, if you are prone to acne, try avoiding or reducing your consumption of dairy products. Secondly, high glycemic index foods like white bread, pasta, and sugar can cause a spike in insulin levels. This can lead to increased sebum production, inflammation, and ultimately acne breakouts. Choose low glycemic index foods like whole grain bread, brown rice, and other alternatives. Lastly, fried and greasy foods like French fries, burgers, and pizza can trigger acne breakouts by increasing inflammation in the body. They also contain high levels of unhealthy fats that can clog pores and lead to pimples. Try to limit your intake of fried and dairy foods as much as possible. Eating a healthy diet is essential for clear and acne-free skin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.